There is no time to waste. Far away, the males are waiting. While the females were gone, the sea ice grew, and it's now twice the distance from its edge back to their colony. 70 miles away, the males are in desperate need of help. Despite doing all they can to conserve their energy, many are close to dying from starvation. Reunited after 3 months apart. Chains must be quick, as the tiny chick, unprotected, could freeze to death in seconds. A task that began in autumn has been completed. Despite the huge odds against it, the precious chick has survived the winter and is now with its mother, and she has food.